Haok, why did you use the kids cheering sound effect? In your happy birthday gelatin video. You know that. There is a good chance of toddlers hating that sound. That is so it. I will send you to this punishment to you, Haok.
Are you out of your dang mind right now?
Plim plim, how dare you use sound ideas, children, crowd, small, studio, audience, of, children, big cheer, cheering a one in your Play-Doh video.
You know the kids cheering sound effect is bad for people under the age of 18 years old cry. In this proof you are a Jeff Mara and baby first wannabe.
Also, you know, the kids cheering sound effect is stupid.
Don't use the sound ideas, children, crowd, small, studio, audience, of, children, big cheer cheering a one ever again.
End of call out.
Oh my freaking God, Trip Hanston, the all engines go and go Jetters fan. What is wrong with you now? How dare you use the baby crying sound effect for the second time?
You know, it makes Sherman Zuki ML milliliters and TOT milliliters. Army Smith boys MTOT milliliters. Member Windows 7 meters TOT milliliters. Army, and it's Charlie and friends cry.
This proves you're a banana D wannabe.
Do not use baby crying sound effect again.
I agree with Flane. If you use for the third time, I will send you to be End of Doom again. End of call out.
Studio Lead Channel, how do you use the baby crying sound effects?
You can make joy, disgust, fear, and anger Trip Hampton floppy tickler.
As I told you when I was listening to episode, we can Chrissy's jump.